What's up guys, Eric from B-Sonic. Today we have here a 2017 Lexus GS350 F Sport, and we went ahead and installed the Shiftpower throttle response controller. It works wonderfully with this car. I just want to show you guys how we installed it and also demonstrate to you at how it works and how much of a difference it makes compared to the factory acceleration. So let's go ahead and get inside the vehicle. Alright guys, now we're in the vehicle. Before you start, just make sure that if you just drove your car, just make sure you lock your doors, turn on the alarm, unlock it, and then open the doors. That ensures that your vehicle is in sleep mode because you don't want any electric current going through the acceleration pedal. So once you confirm that, let's go ahead and let's go inside your vehicle, open the door, and you have to go down deep, look behind your acceleration pedal, you'll find a plug, so you're going to want to unplug it and daisy chain our module between it. So just go down. All right, this acceleration pedal, and then this the assembly, and look up, and then here is the pedal, the plug. So the release tab is on the right side. So while pressing it firmly, you want to pull this up, okay? I'm not going to do that right now because everything is connected nicely. And then once you do that, we went ahead and we tucked in the module here, right here, and then we routed the button right here. All right. And if you guys want to know how to see, and then just so we can explain how to connect your phone and to do the app portion, I'm going to go ahead and refer to the previous video. So after you turn on the engine, what you want to do is download the Shiftpower application. And how you do that is go to your app here. I already went ahead and searched it, Shiftpower FATEC, and then go ahead and press the install and then open. And after you open up the app, you want to click on this vehicle button, and then you'll find it. You'll find your Shiftpower device. Go ahead and connect it. Going to ask you for the password, and the password is going to be written on the user manual. Go ahead and pair it, and then you will select your vehicle, Tacoma, and then once you selected it, you'll notice that it's already on green. So every time you press the button, your app will change real time. Sport, Super Sport, that's orange, and then Race, that's red. Press it again, it'll turn white, which is turned off. We also have what's called a valet mode. So at the valet mode, you can actually adjust how much percentage is the maximum acceleration, between 15 to 45% when you're valeting your vehicle, so that you don't have to worry about the valet driver peeling out with your car and being reckless with it. And at the same time, we also have the throttle lock mode. So when you lock your throttle, this is for a secondary theft deterrent device. See that they get your engine turned on, and even when they accelerate, nothing is going to happen to the vehicle. It won't move. Okay, so now that we installed it, we downloaded the app. Let's go ahead and let me show you how it works inside the car. Just want to show you how all this works. We mounted the button down here. We have the setting over here. This customer likes it at 75%. It's a pretty aggressive setting. And what's pretty cool about this is you can fine-tune the setting you want. Okay, in 1% increments. So this gives you up to 100 different adjustability in its setting. Okay, and on top of that, we can go here and change. There's 3 different curves: exponential, dynamic, linear. Linear is very on and off. Exponential, it gradually builds, and dynamic is something between it. So depending on your liking, you could go ahead and play around with that. Okay, and if you press on the acceleration, it kind of shows you how much more acceleration it gives compared to the original. So something at 100% is basically the double amount of acceleration, and then so forth. And then like if you go back to like 50%, it will accelerate 50% more. So this actually does help your 0 to 60 times. It's not adding any more horsepower to your vehicle, but it is making your car accelerate faster and your throttle be a bit more sensitive. All right, guys. Well, this concludes our little overview and our demonstration of our Shiftpower throttle response control. This customer loves it. He was very kind enough to drive his car back here to let us shoot his vehicle. If you have any questions, drop a line below or email us at info@bsonicusa.com. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a like on this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.